Are you having issues with stick drift on your games console? So I've tried taking it apart, giving it a dusting, seeing if it made a difference, and it did make a difference and made it worse. And now all I've got is left and right. I've got no up and down control on my left analog stick. But you can replace soldering parts inside the controller, so I bought myself a replacement left analog stick and a really cheap soldering iron. I'm going to have a go and see if I can do it myself. It might give you the confidence to have a go yourself. Let's see if it really is a DIY job. So, just so you know, I'm not going in completely blind. I have watched a couple of videos. Give us a bit of a chance. So obviously I've got the controller, but I've got some solder flux, got my little screwdriver, as well as a guitar pick, solder and iron, leaded solder, Q-tips, a set of tweezers. I have my analog sticks. Let's take this controller apart. Now you can do this with your nails. Okay. Now this should, you can use a now to help these off. Okay, put that aside. And now I believe we have to pop off the L1 and R1 button, so just pop that underneath there. Well, that should just pop straight off underneath. There. A couple of Phillips screws just underneath there at that end, and two in the base there. All the screws are out, so it should just unclip. But now there's two clips either side there. You can just pry them apart with your nail, actually, just pull it towards you. I might use a guitar pick here again. Now I can just go ahead and remove the whole joystick here, but I think I'm just going to remove these two green parts here, because these are actually the sensors. Is that all modern devices now, they're soldered with lead-free solder, which has a much higher melting point. So when people work on them nowadays, they get leaded solder and they kind of mix it in with the lead-free solder, which lowers the melting point, makes it easier to work on. Feel it, I can see it going now. Okay, so that's that one removed. Let's remove this and this one. These are being replaced anyway, so maybe we'll just remove these altogether. We'll just wiggle these back and forth a bit, get rid of them. Alright, moment of truth guys. Were we successful? I've got my left and right, which I already had anyway. But I did replace that part, so that's kind of a success in itself. Right, can we go up and down? Yes! My goodness. I wouldn't do it again, I've got to be honest, I'll buy a new controller, but if you were going to have a go yourself, just for a bit of fun, I'll leave a link in the description of all the bits and bobs I used, so you know where to get them from. Because it was an absolute bargain, to be fair, but I didn't enjoy it, I'm not going to lie. That was too much stress, too much aggro. I wouldn't go through that again, but give it a go. Let me know how you get on.